How to make everyone can see your email on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your email on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click here these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings, click on it and then click personal and account information, and then here you will find email, click edit and then click edit, and now just click public to make everyone can see it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.